the gaming pickle here, and we are gonna be playing Piggy chapter. Legends they have first. Since I'm pretty new to this game, pretty new. Haven't played it that much, but there's Piggy, little brother, mother, father. And if you watch Peppa Pig, you probably know most of his characters. Grandmother, Sheepy was Susie. I don't know what is that a marshmallow on a hammer. I think it's a marshmallow on a Pandy. Teacher was Madame Gazelle with a ruler. Memory, probably one of my least favorite. Kitty, oh my, she has a shovel knock you out. Mimi from chapter 10, it kind of fits in. She's a mole and she has like a pickaxe, kind of makes sense. Dino, I bought him Angel Pony. Wooden sword to knock people out. Oh no, it's a devil. Doggy with an axe. Giraffe, I bought as well. Barry and favorite skin elephant. From the carnivore in his cage. His friends left him. Zombie Piggy. Friends. Bunny. A golden skeleton and a bunny with an eye patch and a crossbow. They make sense. Clowny. Probably one of my least favorites as well. Tigery. Ooh, Yizzy from new chapters. And Robbie, a robot. I don't have any tokens, so if you want to see new skins, I have to get some tokens. I could get up to grandmother, but I'm not gonna do it. See? Oh, it's probably one of the hardest maps, Forest. Oh, dang it. It's the chapter 4, Forest. Someone has one key, I saw it. Someone has one key. No! Got taken down by Sheepy. I'm spectate, but I'm not patient, so let's start a new server. Server. And if you think this game's cool, just hop on Roblox, type in, hit games, and watch Piggy if you like Piggy. Alright, new game. Oh, it's chapter 10, the mall. Birdie Bank. Oh, what's this on my screen? Ah, no, that's stuck. No. I can't move. Oh, bye-bye, thing. Leave. Thing, I don't care. Okay, whatever you say. Close thingy. I can't close. But I can move my character. Now I can't. Oh, there we go. My God. It's your fault, error screen. I can't move my mouse. There we go. Please don't pop up. I'm gonna be right back when I get this thing to leave. I'm back. Error thing out of the way. And I joined a new server and see what happened? I'm confused, whatever. And there's new traps, the black hole. I will show you the news. Hit shop. Traps. There's default 5 seconds. Not small traps, 5 seconds. But small. Big traps. And just let you know, you get 8 default traps and 8 small traps. You get 4 big traps and they last for 4 seconds. But they're big, doesn't matter. Slow 10 and they last for 6 seconds. Oh my gosh, that's overpowered. Alarm traps. They let you know where people are and it's only like for 4.5 seconds. Egg traps? You gotta be kidding me. It's egg from Easter, 6. And then black hole traps, I have no idea what they do. 5 seconds. I might buy them. I'm saving up for either slow or black hole. I don't know. Alright, let's see what map we are gonna be. Carnival? I try to get this map in And Piggy bought 100 players to do a glitch, but no. Everyone chose city. City, city, city. City, city, city. City, city. But what? Carnival is actually the easiest map if you didn't know. It's a loop shape. Oh, I have blue key. Blue key equals roller coaster. Come on, give me blue key. There we go. Thank you. Don't mind if I do. I better run. With my blue key. And I don't know if it's like infection or trader, or play or ball. I don't know. So I have green key. And we seen that earlier. So we have to go over here. So we have to move over here. But guys, I have a special somebody I'm talking to right now. If he joins this game, he might be able to be in the video. We have to see. Yellow key, you gotta be kidding me. Yellow. That could get them out, but gets the hammer. What? It's infection. Out of everything, it's infection. Why? Who? No. Well, that's my skin, and I was the last person. Ellie, elephant. I just want to join random servers, and hopefully it's them all. Alright, new server. Let's use. New server, new look. Hopefully the friend could join now. Alright. Oh, it's small. People might have exited, and the friend is in. Hopefully he doesn't get caught by Pandy. Hey Pandy, can't get me, little panda. Cause you're a panda. Pandas. Is it open? Wait a minute. This is the escape door.
I'm on the door. Okay.
I'm in. Come on.
Where are you?
No, white key. It's the only thing. The friend is John. That's his name. He's about to start a channel. So, when he makes that channel, I will tell you what it is. And you could join. And this again. Oh my God. It's because of this thingy. I'm gonna try and fix it again. Okay. All we have to do is spectate. And if you want to try, this is his character, Army Rex JD. Make sure you try and friend him on Roblox. And try and friend me. Dill Pickle 122. All you need is white key, and then you escape. And I know the mall cutscene.
I have white key. I'm trading white key for a yellow key.
You gotta be kidding me! You have white? If you have white key, you can escape.
I'm playing white key in Vex.
Don't do that.
I did it.
He probably doesn't have white key. Oh, he's alerted. Oh. So he better run. All he... Time. Alright. Hopefully, people do...
Oh yeah, and my username is...
XJB.
Friend me, and forget, I will have a future YouTube channel, and it will be based on Roblox, Googa Booga, Piggy, everything new on Roblox, and updates and everything.
Alright, that's from the John.
Be
Alright,
free to
Carnival. carnival, 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 carnival. Time to do carnival. No, come on. More, more, more. And just let you know, it's time to be the trader. I hope I'm the trader with my evil rubber duck.
I want to be trader, but the second time, you never know what happens. You never know if the bacon hairs will take over.
Who is the trader? Let's see. Hopefully it's us. The trader. If,
But I am.
then show us your screen.
Dude,
If he is the trader, we better run.
I'm not the trader. But let's go. The bacon hair is after you. Is a bacon hair after you?
Yeah, some with JB.
Yeah.
Don't mind if I do.
Hey, give me my heart.
But let's see if where's Mandy. Oh, Mandy. Oh, there's Mandy. Oh. Hi, Mandy. Someone just saw.
Did Mandy get you?
No, she got someone else.
Mandy was got.
And you can't get Mandy's skin. That's impossible. Not possible to get Mandy's skin. Hopefully, in the future, I just get up. I got caught up by his super chainsaw device that's in his hand. Got cut up, not even by the trader. It's gone for 20 seconds. Or is that 21? Someone has a weird key. I don't know what key it is. And I'm gonna spectate on someone else. No one else to spectate on. We might have to join new people. It's purple key. Come on, DS, if you played this map before, and let me guess, you don't have. You walked by the purple key. You switched level 891. Why? You walked past purple key. Oh my gosh. What the flip? Why can't she just get it cut up? Yes, Robbie, she just got rid of the purple key and traded it for something else. Hopefully Robbie gets it, and it's this thing. Get out of here. Thing. Come on. And City has 2 piggy. Mall kinda has 2. Mandy is only in that 4. And that was the trader. Switch underscore level 891 was the trader, bro. We were spectating the.
And shout out to Mean Boy GIE.
Listen to him. He's trying to get a shadow, but only I can make shadow in my video.
I'm the top. You realize I can not be your friend.
Well, I could only record for 3 minutes and 1 second. So it's only at 13 minutes and 15
I think it's time for you.
So after this
No,
round,
I'm about to live.
after this vid, we are going to end this video. Because I'm about to end this recording. Infection, come on, everyone wants infection. And what map is this? I'm pretty sure it's Mall. Mall? And I am the piggy! That was piggy sound, y'all. Oh, hi, little evil rubby duck. You and me are gonna take over the world as elephant with our spear. Alright. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1.